We are going to buy grocery.
Yeah,
Okay.
let's go.
And you have to help me, okay?
Yes.
Make sure you pick up all those bags.
Yep. Daddy, what happened to the car?
I don't know. I think the battery's dead. Because last time when we changed the oil, we checked the battery. Battery has a low volt.
Yeah.
So I think I have to replace the battery.
Yeah.
So we have to replace this battery.
Yeah.
Because last time I can use the booster cable, but I can't because the battery is finished. So we have to replace this battery.
Yes. Yeah, we have to.
This battery.
Yeah.
It's 7 o'clock. There's no mechanic. Everybody's closed. And we need a car tomorrow morning. And we need it now. So we have only one choice, one option.
DIY, do it yourself.
That's it. Let's do it.
Yep.
So this is the battery terminal. That's called the battery terminal. So
Yes.
this is positive, this is negative. So we have to open 1, 2, 3, 4. Take the old battery out, put the new one. Okay?
Positive and negative.
Negative and
I
positive.
remembered when I did that project about that, right?
That's it.
Positive and
want to start the car?
Yep, let's check. Yay, the car is working.